Hello, today we will guide you through how to add sticker to CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is launched, you'll want to make sure you're in the editing workspace where you can begin working on your project. If you already have a project ready, you can open it there. The goal here is simply to get into CapCut so you can access the tools needed to add a sticker. Next, drag your sample videos onto the timeline. This is an important step because stickers are usually added on top of existing video content, so your footage needs to be in place first. As you arrange the clips on the timeline, take a moment to confirm they're positioned where you want them. This will make it easier to place the sticker at the right point in your video. Once your video is on the timeline, look toward the top area of the screen for the sticker option. CapCut places many of its editing tools in visible menu sections, so scan the top toolbar carefully until you find it. If your screen feels crowded, move slowly and make sure you're selecting the correct feature, since this is the tool you'll use to bring graphics into your project. When you find Sticker, click on it to open the sticker library. This will take you into the section where CapCut stores its available stickers. From here you can explore the options and decide what style fits your video best. Some stickers are playful, some are decorative, and others can help emphasize a point in your content. Now browse through the sample stickers. Take your time here and look for one that matches the tone of your video. It helps to think about where the sticker will appear and whether it supports the scene without distracting from it. Choosing the right sticker can make your edit feel more polished and engaging. After you've selected the sticker you want, drag it down to the timeline to add it to your project. This places the sticker directly into the edit so it appears over your video. Once it's on the timeline, you can line it up with a part of the clip where you want it to show. For the best result, make sure the sticker appears at a moment that complements the action or message on screen. And that's it. You've successfully added a sticker to your CapCut project.